This is Bill from DNProtect. DNProtect provides domain name ownership coverage. You can protect your domain name with domain ownership coverage from DNProtect. And we protect your domain name essentially from loss, whether that is through legal, theft, or clerical errors. With legal protection included in domain name ownership coverage, if your domain name is subject to legal action, trademark claim, UDRP domain name dispute, then you're covered. We will defend your domain name using our legal resources. Theft, if there are any issues related to your domain name ownership, you're covered under DNProtect's domain name ownership coverage. Domain names are often stolen, and we can make sure that if there are any issues with theft of your domain name, that you are covered. Clerical errors, similar to overdraft protection from your bank. If you forget to renew your domain name, or actually your domain name, for example, is on auto renew, but it is not renewed for whatever reason, you are covered. We'll make sure your domain name essentially does not go offline.